Alrighty, guys, welcome back to Local Channel. You already know how it goes. Today was really one of the most chillest days, to be honest. But we did take three trades today. We totaled around $1,000, and yeah, let's get into that recap. All right, so as you can see, big winner today was this Entx. Solid move, beautiful bull flags are gonna cover that. We took three entries on it. We took one loss on it. Let's break that down. So as you can see here, it's moving up pretty sharply. I missed that initial entry there. Let me just make it bigger for you guys. I missed that beautiful entry there from the pre-market to the first candle right there at 470. It got a nice squeeze for that bull flag. Boom, boom. So we want to get in on the second jump on it. So it came back, pulled back to the moving average, the VWAB. And as it made a new high, we took that opportunity. Still, there is opportunity. I think we might take this trade for you guys here. Just a quick, as it breaks the high to get moving to higher days, we could take that there at an entry of 529. So yeah, so as we wait for that, might be any moment here. These things move really volatile. It's a nice mover here. So we just broke 29 for a second there, and we're looking for a quick squeeze up, probably into 67s. Yeah, so the second entry we had on this was this nice 5-minute candle, boom, make a new high, squeeze up, and we sold for some profit. And then, it was a 1 minute on the other one, but let's finish off this trade first before we go through that. I think we could open up a little bit more, like to break higher day. Might require the next 5-minute candle, not too sure. We'll give it a moment, see what it's doing. So we're getting a little squeeze. Nice. So we'll take off profits there. Solid. So yeah, there's really lots of opportunities on this trade right now. So I just been taking the opportunity to hammer it in. So let's go back over those trades I was taking. So first one I missed here. Second one, as it retested that VWAB and a 9 moving average first 5 minutes to make a new high, we took that. Taking nice, we held for a bigger move because we really wanted it to come back to this area of 40 to the higher day, but we like to take it off before higher days just to get, we don't want to get caught in that resistance. Oh, I think it's gonna break, those kind of emotions. So we take off. I took off half, and then I just took off the rest, and then as it we got the 1 minute chart. I'm gonna have to go on my questrade to see those exact entries. All right, so we can zoom in there. Made that first, that was on that 5 minute break, and then we scaled out twice there, and we went to go for a retest a little earlier, right? I want to zoom in for you guys so it's nice and big. All right, as this candle made a new high, the next candle made a new high, we want a little squeeze again, it didn't end up happening, and we sold immediately as it made a new low because we didn't want to get caught in, a sharp fall down. So, we're taking small risk, but we're holding for big potential just because we're chilling with larger share size, and it's really the most efficient way to do it. But then as it made a new high again, we knew there's strength in this stock, so we got in, took out some more, and then you guys just seen that last trade of that 5 minute candle as it made a new break for a little squeeze for some nice profits. All right, so we also did trade XPSL, the SPY. We traded it for a 5 minute trade. That one, we did hit it. Oh yeah, we went for that short on that 5 minute. First candle to make a new low under the VWAP 9 and 20, my favorite shorting strategy. It failed there, but it was fine. We went long on it just to, as it made a new high over the view I'm 9 and 20, right? Because we're just really trying to find a direction. This was like my first trade of the day. The other one was a swing from yesterday, which we'll go over in a second. But yeah, we made some profit back on SPXL as it made a new high, and then for a small squeeze up there. And the only reason we sold early, we're initially gonna hold for a longer move. There was just better potential in this Entx, right, which really made the solid gains for the day. Right, was just a swing from yesterday. It was a swing from yesterday. We lost $100 on it, and then I seen an opportunity, to get in for a longer term swing. We ended up just selling it today. As you can see, it continued up. I'm very frustrated because it just went to my stop, and then we entered for a sell. We re-entered as it made a new high just to get the move, but again, we've seen other opportunities, so we taken off. We initially would be holding this trade for a swing back on the daily chart from like 10 points away, but we missed that swing trade entry, so now we just get to day trade it. But yeah, that's really it for today. Really calm, really nice, simple, easy moves. And yeah, we're capitalizing on it. I didn't realize my camera moved. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, feel free to let me know down below. As you know, I'm always answering questions, and I'm happy to answer questions, as well as if you guys have any specific content videos for me to shoot, because I do these recaps. I have a lot of good content from the past that I highly recommend you check out on the trading psychology, the emotions and the stages of a trader, right, and what they go through to get to where they want to go, right? Those who do, those who don't, and the potential roadblocks that we come across, right? So I highly recommend you check out those. I can remix some of them because they're not so popular, but they're solid, like A quality, content. It's just I was shooting them earlier from when I first started YouTube, and I didn't get that production quality. I didn't have the followers to really get those messages across to really help as much people as I can. But other than that, we got some questrade trading for you guys. Have a good one, and see you guys again later. Interested in one of the cheapest commissions in Canada, as well as the broker I use for day trading and investing? Sign up now with questrade using the link below, or offer code Canada100 to get commissions for as low as 1 cent per share, $50 trade commission rebate, or $10,000 managed free for a year, and start your path to success and better your trading performance.